Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to buy Singapore stocks on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be using the client portal on desktop for this walkthrough. First, you need to set up trading permissions for Singapore stocks. Click the Head and Shoulders icon in the top right corner of Client Portal. Then go to Settings and select Trading, then Trading Permissions. You'll see a panel showing your current permissions and all eligible products. Click the Add Edit or Request button next to Stocks, then select Singapore from the Locations list. Check the box next to it and click Continue. On the next page, review the requested changes and any disclosures. Sign your name and click Continue to submit the request. Now you'll need to wait for IBKR to approve your request. This usually takes a few days. Once you're approved, log in to Client Portal and use the search bar at the top of the page to search for the Singapore stock ticker you want to buy. When the stock appears in the search results, make sure it has the SGX designation next to it that confirms it's the Singapore Exchange listing. Click on the stock. Click the blue Buy button to open the order screen. When you click Buy, the order entry background will turn blue. Now enter the number of shares you want to buy in the quantity field. Remember, IBKR only supports fractional shares for US listed stocks, so you'll need to buy Singapore shares in whole numbers. Make sure the quantity times the price is less than or equal to the cash you have available. Now select your order type from the order type dropdown. You've got two main options. Market order buys the stock right now at whatever the current price is. This guarantees you get the stock, but you don't control the exact price. Limit order only buys if the price is at or below a specific amount this protects you from paying too much. But if the price never drops to your limit, the order won't fill. If you chose limit order, enter your maximum buy price in the limit price field that appears. Next, set your time in force from the dropdown. Day means the order stays valid until the end of the trading session and cancels itself if not filled. Good till cancel means the order stays valid until it fills or you cancel it manually. Click the Preview button at the bottom of the order entry panel. You'll see the full order details and the commission you'll be charged for Singapore stocks on IBKR. That's 0.08% of the trade value with a minimum of 250 Singapore dollars. Once you've reviewed everything and it looks good, click Submit to place your trade. The order will be sent to the exchange. After you submit, you can check the status of your order by going to the trade menu and selecting Orders and Trades. If your order hasn't filled yet and you want to modify it, click the three dots on the far right of the order row and select Modify. One more thing, IBKR stores Singapore stocks in a custodian account rather than in your CDP account, and they don't charge a custodian fee for this. That's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.